Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Devasis and you are watching Worldwide Programmer. Before starting this tutorial, do subscribe channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Let's start the tutorial. In this session, we'll discuss about hacking, hackers, types of hackers and its origin. These following topics we will discuss. First we'll discuss about hacking, discuss about hackers, types of hackers, origins of hacking, hacking versus cracking, and the last one is common network hacking techniques. First we'll discuss about what is hacking. Hacking is the practice of modifying the feature of a system in order to accomplish a goal outside of the creator's original purpose. The person who is engaging in hacking activities and has accepted hacking as a lifestyle and philosophy of their choice is called a hacker. Computer hacking is the most popular form of hacking nowadays, especially in the field of computer security, but hacking exists in many other forms such as phone hacking, brain hacking, etc. And it's not limited to either of them. Due to the much attention given to black hat hackers from the media, the whole hacking term is often mistaken for any security related cybercrime. This damages the reputation of all hackers and is very cruel and unfair to loved ones of them. From who the term itself, the goal of this website is to introduce people the true philosophy and ethics of hackers. Next one we will discuss about hacker. In computer networking, hacking is any technical effort to manipulate the normal behavior of network connections and connected systems. A hacker is any person engaged in hacking. The term hacking historically referred to constructive, clever technical work that was not necessarily related to computer systems. Today, however, hacking and hackers are most commonly associated with malicious programming attacks on the internet and other networks. Next one is types of hackers. So basically there are three types of hackers: black hat, white hat and grey hat. So what is black hat hackers? Black hat hackers are criminals who break into computer networks with malicious intent. They may also release malware that destroy files, holds computer hostage, or steals password, credit card numbers, and other personal information. Next one is white hat. A white hat is an ethical computer hacker or a computer security expert who specializes in penetration testing and other testing methodology that ensure the security of an organization's information system. The last one is grey hat. A grey hat is a computer hacker or computer security expert who may sometimes violate laws or typical ethical standards but doesn't have the malicious intent typical of a black hat hacker. Next one is origins of hacking. MIT engineers in the 1950s and 1960s first popularized the term and the concept of hacking, starting at the Model Train Club and later in the mainframe computer rooms. The so-called hacks by these hackers were intended to be harmless technical experiments and fun learning activities. Later, outside of MIT, others began applying the term to less honorable pursuits. Before the internet became popular, for example, several hackers in the US experimented with methods to modify telephones for making free long distance calls over the phone network illegally. As computer networking and the internet exploded in popularity, the data networks became by far the most common target of hackers and hackings. Next one is hacking versus cracking. Malicious attacks on computer networks are officially known as cracking, while hacking truly applies only activities having good intentions. Most non-technical people fail to make these distinctions. However, outside of academia, it's extremely common to see the term hack misused and be applied to cracks as well. The last content is common network hacking techniques. Hacking on computer networks is often done through scripts or other network programming. These programs generally manipulate data passing through a network connection in ways designed to obtain more information about how the target system works. Many such pre-packaged scripts are posted on the internet for anyone, typically entry-level hackers, to use. More advanced hackers may study and modify these scripts to develop new methods. A few highly skilled hackers work for commercial firms with the job to protect that company's software and data from outside hackings. Cracking techniques on network include creating worms, initiating denial of servicing or DOS attacks, or in establishing unauthorized remote access connections to a device. So I hope this tutorial is very useful for you all. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.